Programming your 2005 Chevy key fob is a DIY-friendly task. This covers models like Silverado, Tahoe, Suburban, and Impala. You'll need your key in the key fob. Look for FCC ID OUCG8D-38HA or similar, operating at 314 MHz frequency. Ensure your fob matches your vehicle's receiver for proper communication. The key fob communicates with the car's BCM, or body control module. The BCM can typically handle only 4 to 6 key fobs. Following these steps saves time and money compared to dealership programming. Use genuine or certified aftermarket fobs to comply with FCC regulations. Step 1. Ensure all doors are closed and unlocked. Step 2. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but don't start the engine. Step 3. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously for about 15 seconds until the doors lock or unlock, indicating programming mode. Step 4. Turn the ignition to off and remove the key. Step 5. Immediately press and hold the lock and unlock buttons again for 15 seconds until the doors cycle. Step 6. Repeat steps 2 through 5 3 times to complete the programming cycle. Step 7. For additional fobs, repeat the entire process within 30 seconds of programming the last fob. Step 8. Test the fob by locking and unlocking the vehicle to confirm programming. Important notes: some models like the Tahoe might require holding the panic button instead of lock and unlock. If this process fails, you may need an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. Be aware that BCM issues or worn-out fobs can cause failures, particularly in high-mileage vehicles.